ka mabuti. Ano? Matulog ka, aga-aga.
Mahalik naman, paano naman tayo tutulad sa ganyan? Eh, puro nga tayo plastic dito sa bahay. Hindi nga mabawas-bawasan to. Pasok na ako.
Bakit mo? Bakit mo malis? Yan. Hi po! Good morning po!
Good morning po!
Good morning po, Mami! Meron. Ako nga po pala si Nea Lorraine.
Ako rin po pala si James Albantan.
Gusto lang po sana namin kayong ma-invite sa parating na program po namin.
Diyan lang po kay Cap. Diyan sa barangay po.
Kung saan naman yan?
It's elimination of plastic by Pizza Kitchenware.
Anong oras yan? 9 AM po. May lecture din po doon about po plastic notification. Pumasok ka na.
Umiiral yon ng intertropical convergence zone at nadudulot na makulimlim na
Paano naman tayo tutulad sa ganyan? Eh, puro nga tayo plastic dito sa bahay. Hindi nga mabawas-bawasan.
Gusto lang po sana namin kayong ma-invite sa parating na program po namin.
Diyan lang po kay Cap.
Oro, Cotabato at General.
Our project, Plastic to Purpose, Transforming Kitchens for Sustainability, focuses on reducing plastic waste by promoting eco-friendly alternatives and recycling practices in kitchens. It serves as a practical approach to educating communities about sustainable living while inspiring action to minimize environmental impact. The volunteers started the program with a breakfast meal for the beneficiaries. It is followed by the lectures about kitchen plastic elimination from the speakers and an interactive game with prizes. The volunteers also decided to have a raffle to give joy to the beneficiaries. They also gave them kitchen kits that they can use as an alternative for plastic kitchenware that serves as a token of appreciation for their support and cooperation. A lunch meal was also given to the beneficiaries as part of the closing remarks. The program not only raises people's quality of life on a daily basis but also guarantees a healthier, more sustainable future for everybody by giving them the information and resources they need to make meaningful changes.
Kapitan Albi and Veles, and person with disability. Thank you, St. Dominic, Department of Nursing. Salamat sa pag-reach out sa bayanan through the help of VLS and rescue. Sana huwag kayong magsawang tumulong sa ibang community, hindi lang sa bayanan. Thank you.
Balitan na natin to. Huwag na tayo mag-plastic. Tapos mo to. Hindi na akong bago. Ito. Perfect. Ceramic to. Ito. Wala ba nung over? Ganda. Dapat mo din. Dapat mo naman matuto ka mag-segregate ng maayos. Ha? Ingat kami yan. Ceramic mo. Good yan. Wala tayo plastic. Okay.